Did you know your Cricut can just write? So you can pick whatever you want, put it on the paper, arrange it, flatten it, and then choose the pen of your choice. I'm doing a birthday card 5x7, so that's all I needed to print. Part 2 of my card. I've cut 2 A's out of watercolor paper and 1 out of this iron-on vinyl. So I'm going to try a new technique. I'm going to try ironing that on my watercolor paper. This is thicker than regular paper, and it'll make it stand up on the card. And if you are a paper crafter, you need to get this glue right here from my Ivy Hollow Scrap Fusion. It is the most awesome glue. It only takes a little bit. There's no buckling or anything. So here's my finished project, and some of the supplies I used was foam tape to put on the back of the background, glossy accents to attach the pearls, really reasonable ribbon for the flat back pearls and the yellow ribbon, and then the glue from Ivy Hollow. I hope you like it.